Yum.
Emma Ray eating for the very, very first time ever.
Ever.
What you eating, Mommy?
Chiquita bananas.
I think she likes that.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. If she gets her belly full, she will sleep all night.
Yep. Say that milk just wasn't cutting it no more, Mommy.
Hey, I got to have something in my belly.
Hey, guys. No. Is it good?
Let me get Papa to come in here and look. Move.
Is it good? I know she won't eat the whole jar, but.
I don't know. She ain't slowed down, has she?
Look at her.
Emma Ray.
Watch her eating her bananas. It's her food for the first time. So for I know it. I'm going to eat it in
Look,
Is it good, baby?
Is it good? Yeah.